How to add callouts in Camtasia 2022. This is a how to browser tutorial. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process step by step. So please follow along with me and watch this till the very end because you don't want to miss any part of the video. Now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's head over to Camtasia, and here we have media library favorites add notations. So please now grab your video and add your video in the timeline. But if you want to add your video in the timeline, you can tap simply on this plus right here and import media, or simply right click and import media as well, or simply just go in your folder. Here we have a folder and just grab it and drag it in the media bin. It works like that as well. But now let me show you how you can add a very good feature I love in Camtasia, how you can add some very simple but very useful call outs. Okay, so you need to go to annotations, and here we have annotation, arrow lines, but we also have call outs, and these ones are very useful because you have so many to choose from. So now all you need to do is to look for the one that you want to use. If you want to use just a simple one, you just need to only with text. You just need to grab that call out and just drag it in the timeline. Okay, very simple. I'm sorry. And now, if you want to add this one, you use this one as well. So it's very simple to add callouts. You just need to go to annotations, and here look for the one that you want and just drag it and just drag it in your timeline. Okay, that's all you need to do. Very easy. I hope this video provided you with value. If it did, drop a like and subscribe for more how-to videos. Thank you for watching this video. Take care.